You learn a great amount of information in a really short amount of time.
Every day I'm just wondering what's coming next, and I'm just loving the journey so far.
We're doing a loafer next and then a sandal, and now we're doing high heels.
It's a pretty long process, but so far everything that we learned is falling into place, and I feel like now I'm getting a better understanding of what exactly comes into making shoes.
I'm exploring a lot of new materials, a lot of new shapes. I come from fashion design, but this feels more like carpentry than actual garment making. It's a lot of fun.
There are lots of different machines, and because this is a summer course, we have access to almost everything. I have a friend who did the same course and is a professional footwear maker, and I've worked on projects with her, but there's a lot I need to learn, and I've been told that Nafi was the best teacher.
I think so he's giving us that sort of understanding of what the shoe is like and what all goes into it and the passion that you have to make it. So it's just unreal.
He always has a word of advice, even for something more artistic, I guess. And also he has a lot of knowledge when it comes to technical skills. Yeah, I learned a lot from him, and we're just halfway there.
It's a very good environment, positive, very positive energy. Everybody's super supportive and just enjoying everybody, talking to each other, connecting, making new friends.
I do creative consoles for smaller brands, and yeah, hopefully I'll be able to help people with their design part. Yeah.
I'm a prop maker. I work for theatre, so I'm hoping to take these pattern making and shoemaking techniques and use them for stage.
My family business is about shoemaking, so I just hope to understand everything, and I can build on it, and then I can make it grow.
Yeah, it's just overall a dream to be here. Just looking outside, the views, the labs, it's a lot to take in.